National Human Rights Commission was formed. To the Protection of Human Rights Amendment Bill 2018 falls short of bringing out substantial changes to the NHRC. Critically analyzed, 250 words. To the Protection of Human Rights Amendment Bill 2018 falls short of bringing out substantial changes to the NHRC. Critically analyzed, 250 words. The National Human Rights Commission was formed under the Protection of Human Rights Act 1993. It is the apex body to deal with the cases of human rights violation in the country. Recently, the Protection of Human Rights Amendment Bill 2018 came out after the NHRC has shown reservation over the working of NHRC and its capacity to safeguard the human right of the people in the country. The bill makes several changes in the present act, like TS composition, tenure of the member, power of the principal of Secretary General, and jurisdiction of pros of the changes. Inclusion of more experts from 2 to 3 in the commission will diversify the views. The inclusion of chairperson of National Commission of Backward Classes, National Commission for the Protection of Child Rights, Chief Commissioner for person with physical disability will mean increased protection of human right of most vulnerable section of society. Allowing other SC judges to be chairperson, increased choice of the candidates, and speedy filling of vacancy. The inclusion of women experts in commission will increase sensitivity while dealing with women-related issues. Cons. Making the person eligible for reappointment will increase instances to support political bosses to gain their patronage and future appointment. It doesn't address the issue of political interference, as no change is made in the selection committee of the chairperson, and also doesn't specify criteria for the selection of experts which allow politically motivated appointment. The present staff is deputed from police forces or IB, which means they are loyal to the law enforcement forces. This problem was not addressed as bill failed to provide permanent staff to the commission. The commission recommendations are still advisory to government and thus no power to raise action, which makes it toothless tiger. D0 It is still dominated by judiciary, and also the commission is still not financially autonomous and thus depend on government for grants, which hamper its working way forward. They make selection of the chairman politically neutral and more transparent. Reduce the number of judicial members and take members from civil societies who have exemplary record in saving HR. Also provide criteria for their selection. Increase the strength of the permanent staff in the commission. The members should not be eligible for reappointment in the democratic credentials and seat in UNSC depends on the fact that how much it able to protect the human rights at home, and for this there is urgent need to make human right protection body strong. Various amendments made by the bill are